So what we've got going on here at the moment is the BCM on the bench being fed a 0 to 18 volt variable voltage. And what I'm doing is I'm feeding the two end sensors or two end taps. So I'm feeding this sensor at that end and that sensor at this end, just so I can get a spread and I can see if it's doing the conversion correctly on the first one and the last one, and I'm pretty confident the middle ones will be fine then. So I'm just pulling some power from the printed circuit board, and there we have the 16F886. Now on the screen now I have converted them to voltages. They're not right yet. However, the key thing is the stability of the readings, which is much improved. Quite interesting, the system does not work particularly well below 10 volts, which equates to 5 volts per stick. So it looks like the sensing capability of the voltage sensors becomes quite poor below about 1 volt per cell, quite rudimentary below that. So looking at the oscilloscope here, the waveform, what we have on the top line is the logic voltage sample initiate. When that is low, what happens is the voltage output from the converter, which is the bottom yellow line, stabilizes, and you can see for a short period there it stabilizes when this goes low. And that's the point at which the voltage is then read by the ADC. So the PIC's waiting for this to go low, and then it knows that the voltage will then be stable, and then it turns off again the converter, and you can see then the voltage goes to pieces and then slowly rises up again. So it only samples when the voltage is at that level. So if I turn this up to 18 volts, key thing when we're looking on here now is the first and last 15.59, 15 is the first and last sensor are very, very closely matched, which is excellent because they're both being fed the same voltage. It doesn't matter what the voltage is, key thing is they're both being fed the same voltage, and the sensor or the PIC is resolving that to exactly the same voltage near enough. So that's some progress. Just need to make a lookup table probably, and we'll see how we go. Or I'll see if I can relate it to some sort of correlation between the voltage and the ADC. At the moment I just picked a figure out at random just to generate those as voltages. I'll try adding a couple of volts to that and see if that gets it anywhere near where we want to be. That's where we are at the minute. Research continuing.